Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to test a wall outlet to see if it's bad with a multimeter. Now I have a Fluke 323 multimeter here. These multimeters, they're pretty much the same nowadays when you buy them. This particular multimeter, if you want to check voltage here in the United States, I want a reading of around 120 volts. I'm going to set the meter to the V with a little squiggly line over the top of it. Now that's going to be the same on your multimeter if it's an auto sensing multimeter, which means you don't have any other fancy dials where you would have to adjust the multimeter above 120 so you don't tear up your multimeter. But for this video, this multimeter is auto sensing or auto tuning. I'm not really sure the correct terminology, but basically you're going to check the voltage. The little V with the dots above it, that's where if you want to check batteries or something with a DC current. This little, the squiggly line with the V over it is AC. You can see it right there. It's alternating current. And this is what you want to check for 110 power outlets or 120 outlets here at your home. So the first thing I'm going to do, I've got these two leads coming out of the multimeter. Red's plugged into red, black's plugged into black. It really doesn't matter which one of these outlets you plug in, each one, you know, this one or this one. One's larger, one's smaller. But for this video, it really doesn't matter. This one right here is the ground. So I'm gonna plug the first one in that outlet. Notice it didn't do anything there. But I'm gonna plug this one, the red one, in the side of the outlet here. I want you to watch it. Boom. So you're going to have plus or minus, usually plus more than 120 for your outlet. I'm going to leave them plugged in like that. That's the outlet. Now if you want to test your ground, you just unplug one of these, pull it out. You want to test it. This outlet is not grounded, but I'm going to plug that in there. And look at that. I should get a 120 there as well, but I'm not. So tells me that's not grounded, but the outlet is good. Hit that like and subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it. We'll see you next video.